and the stacks are lit. The afterburner. Here comes the shockwave. The Shockwave, a custom-built race truck equipped with 3 huge Pratt & Whitney jet engines, originally out of a Navy T2 Buckeye jet. Combined horsepower, 36,000. These 3 jet engines, which can easily propel this truck to speeds of over 350 miles an hour. In fact, the truck holds the world speed record for trucks at 376 miles per hour. And you've seen nothing of that speed yet. Chris is going to get out onto the runway shortly after a bit of hump and bump, and he's going to give it a go. Get your cameras ready, because Ken and John are going to fly right over top of him, too, as he lights up those afterburners.
What's a little different than it? Open her eye.
The world-famous Shockwave. Most powerful truck in the world, holding the record for semi-trucks at 376 miles an hour. One of the most popular airshow and drag racing exhibit vehicles in the world. Happy to have the Shockwave here as it sets up now to try and run it up to at least 300 miles an hour as a bit of a tease. Later, before the Thunderbirds take the stage, it will take on the very unusual Yak 110 in a race, airplane against the world's fastest truck. So Chris is going to light up the stacks right now. And once you see them really shoot up into the sky, you'll like the afterburners. And he's getting ready for this formation, if you will, dash down the runway. Red line Airshow is above, and the Shockwave below.